welcome everybody to the Tete a Tete show. My name is Malika and I'll be hosting tonight's show. With us today we have Dr. Sadaf, who is a homeopathy specialist, and she's going to guide us today, explaining us about homeopathy and as well as how does it cure any kind of illness that you may have. If you guys have any questions related to any of your illness or any health, she's the right person who will guide you.
Hi
How are
Malaika.
you
How are you?
doing?
I'm all good. How are you? Long time.
I'm doing well too.
Good.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I understand that you've been very busy because of the COVID situation that is going on.
Right.
I'm so pleased that you've taken some time to come out and to be with us today. Thank you so much.
And you're most welcome. Thank you for inviting me on board.
Doctor, I also know that you are a psychotherapist, and I am one of them who has benefited from visiting you. I think that was back years back. I wouldn't say I was going through depression, but I was very upset in life. And but currently, people are depressed, sitting at home. Either they have lost their jobs, or maybe they're going through financial problems because no income, and few people are just sitting at home, like isolating themselves. So the lockdown is lifted, yet there are restrictions. So do you have anything to say on this?
See, number one thing is, always remember that you need to be aware and acknowledge your feelings. If you're feeling sad, say, yes, I'm sad, and seek help. Okay? Seek help from a friend, from a family member, or if you feel that you are scared of they judging you, best is to meet a therapist who will work like a, unprejudiced person, who will not judge you, will not have prejudice against you, will
Right.
not so my way of counseling or therapy is, I don't suggest you, you remember, I
Yeah.
will never suggest you don't have to be sad, you need to be happy, do this. No, I will what I do is I try to make you more aware of what you're feeling. If
Right.
so, most of the time in depression, the problem is we are in denial of our feeling. Okay,
Right.
we all go through this phase. I have also gone through a phase where I was in denial of my feelings. But then when you come to the awareness कि okay, मुझे डर है, right, I'm scared of this, or I am depressed due to this, so you're acknowledging that feeling, then automatically you start working on it. So number one is acknowledge. Second thing is, when you cannot change, see, situations will be what they are, you cannot change them. So one is you deny it and you struggle and say, no, I don't want to do this, or ye acha aisa kyun hai, ye waisa kyun hai, complain. Third is, try to find out in this, chaotic, in this chaos, where can you find your peace? Are you connected with your own source? Are you really in gratitude to what you have? So I have 2 3 fundas of my life which I always use in my life. Number one is, even in the crisis situation, try to find the things you can be in extreme gratitude of. The attitude of gratitude always pays. So you can be in a very unhealthy marriage, but is there something that you can be in gratitude of? You can be
Right.
in a very unhealthy work situation, but can you be gratitude for the food that you're eating, or that 5 rupees that's in your account? So that,
Yeah.
I feel, brings you, so it doesn't change your situation, but it gives you strength to fight back. The problem is we try to change the situation, and then we are trying to fight and change the situation. Rather, if we can understand the situation, accept, be in the gratitude, and then take one day at a time, things help. So yeah, and then get involved in activities like physical activities. So there are certain people who concentrate a lot on mind, some people are just concentrating on the body. I feel it's not just your mind, it's not just your body, but it's your mind, body, and soul, all needs to be worked, whatever religion you belong to.
True.
Sometimes you need that power also. So whatever religion, just have, try to enhance, try to pick up the ways you can enhance your soul and be in love with your situation. Automatically you will gain strength. And if you're not, even after trying this, you are not able to help yourself, ask for help. There's no wrong in asking help. Don't make it a taboo, you know. And
Right.
डोंट मेक इट अ टैबू. अरे लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग कुछ नहीं करेंगे. आप सुसाइड करोगे तो फिर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, सुनने को भी नहीं रहोगे, राइट? So might as
Correct.
well go and take a help, and best just seek help from a therapist, because there will be a complete unprejudiced listening to what you are suffering from.
Yes, absolutely. I absolutely agree. Remember some of ways. I mean, you would always question me, never tell me that never ask me why am I upset, but you would always tell me list down things that you feel, and
Yeah.
that really helped me at that time. I was not in the right state of mind that I would list down anything, but now it really makes sense. And things that I used to think at that point of time, that's a whole emotion situation that you go through, and you just want to like hurt yourself, or you just want to do something, but when once you pass that phase, you just regret what we were going through at that time. So
Yeah,
thank you.
that phase you ultimately emerge to be more stronger, you know. You
Right.
understand, you know, it's just that you have to hang on there, and once you hang
That's
on,
correct.
you work on yourself, you will yourself see a change in you.
Correct, correct. I think that's very useful. Thank you so much, Doctor. Just lastly, I want to ask you. I mean, if the viewers they want to consult with you, want to meet you regarding any illness that they may have, do you have any online sessions, or if they have to come and visit you, how do they take
Right now,
appointments?
due to pandemic, I am doing the video call sessions. Okay,
Okay.
post video call. So I see my patients on Skype. I have a lot of patients who are abroad. They do Skype, and we try to courier them the medicine. And
Okay.
yeah, so that can be made possible for now. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. I think that's a great option. One is,
Though I
yeah.
enjoy the personal sessions more because it gives you more freedom and more space, but due to the
Speak.
pandemic situation, or if you're staying very far away,
Yes.
online consultations are always available.
Sure, that's amazing. That's a good option. Thank you so much, Dr. Sadav. Thank you so much
Most
for joining
welcome.
us.
Thank you. Welcome.
Have a
Thanks
good
for
day.
giving me
Bye.
this opportunity to talk to you.
Sure, thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
Yeah.